Next up is Lauren Kress from the dual PhD DDS program in oral biology from the School of Dentistry.
I hope you're all able to enjoy the beautiful fall weather that we're having here in Minnesota today. As Minnesotans, we know that this is probably not going to be long-lived as winter is rapidly approaching. Although we might not be looking forward to shoveling our driveways again or braving our snowy commutes, I think we can all take a huge collective sigh of relief that the cold weather means the end of our dreaded construction season. So as I was driving around the Twin Cities earlier this fall and noticing all of the new buildings, houses, and bridges that were going up, I was really struck by this connection that it seems to exist between construction and dental plaque formation. So you may be asking yourselves, what is this connection? So just like any building requires a firm foundation on which to construct the complex framework of the structure itself, dental plaque also requires a firm foundation. But rather than a concrete foundation, it requires a bacterial foundation. So today I'm going to be talking to you about one of these foundational bacterial species that I study called Streptococcus gordonii. So Streptococcus gordonii, as indicated here on my slide by the chain of green circles, is one of the very first bacterial species to come and bind to the tooth surface. And so once this bacterial foundation is laid by Streptococcus gordonii, other bacteria are able to come in and bind and interact with each other to form this complex layer of dental plaque that we can both see and sometimes feel on our tooth surface. So, although we know that Streptococcus gordonii is really important for building this foundation of dental plaque, there's still a lot we don't understand about how it knows when to start building this foundation. So that's where my research comes in. I'm specifically studying biological sensors that exist within this bacteria that allow it to sense not only internal but external environmental signals to trigger it to start building this foundation. So why is this important? Well, by understanding some of these mechanisms in this bacteria, we can maybe come up with new novel interventions to prevent dental plaque formation altogether on the tooth surface. Plus, since Streptococcus gordonii is very closely related to another species of bacteria that we know to cause cavities or tooth decay, my work also has important implications for preventing oral diseases. So, just like any building requires a firm foundation without which it would completely crumble, maybe by targeting the bacterial foundation of dental plaque or Streptococcus gordonii, we could prevent this building of the dental plaque on the tooth surface and also alleviate oral disease. Thank you so much.